Or so man, seriously, all you have to do is just, this bottle's kind of empty. Take that and go like this. It won't hurt your paint.
I already started to see the difference. Wow.
Damn. You might have to give your car a wash.
Oh, no, I will. I will. Let's do.
Look at that.
Yeah, no, wow.
You see that?
People always say toothpaste, but I don't know. I don't like.
It cuts it down more, man.
Yeah, yeah. That thing's thick like toothpaste, though, eh?
Thicker.
Way thick. Wow.
I'd like you to tell me that's not noticeable.
Yeah, that's a lot better, man.
That versus this, and I'll just go back, you can tell.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's that simple. And I'll even do the other one.
That might be on YouTube, by the way.
You will be on YouTube, yeah.
You will be on YouTube.
You'll be on our website too. But you just got $50 worth of free stuff done to your car.
Appreciate it, man.
Hey, appreciate you helping me, man. You know, we're a small company. We're a tiny company, 3 people, myself included. And, you know, it's these little things. You go to Canadian Tire, you won't be able to find this.
Now, is this like your own like company's recipe?
Yep.
Yeah. Own ingredients and everything.
We do this ourselves, man.
Wow.
That's that.
A lot better.